What a non-keyword sees a pyraminx. And this video is a joke, so don't take it seriously. Okay, so today I have a huge mess of origami, so I'm gonna show you each one of them. I just made random stuff here. See, this is like a monular thing. Paper plane dart. Another paper plane, this thing. Wait, what? Oh wait, is this like a... Oh yeah. It's like turns. I think this is like a tetrahedron, a pyramid thing. Wait, yeah. I think this is like related to this one. The one that I found in my other pile of stuff that I was gonna show you. Now I found another one. No, this one does not have any white part. Whoa. Oh no, I'm not gonna mess it up. Wait. So I've done some research about this. I heard that people put like oil into this to make it better, like cooking oil. I think it's like cooking oil. Yeah, I'm gonna try to put some in here like later. Like I'm gonna try to do this. What is this? What is this? Mofang Jio Shi. I don't know what that is. Whatever this logo thing sticker. Yeah. Why do I keep getting these here? I think this is called like a Rubik's pyramid puzzle. Okay, yeah. I'm going to try to solve it now. Okay, so first, let's make one face. I know how to do this. See, I already made so many pieces. And then, oh wait, so I made this whole row. Okay. How do I get this in? Oh yeah. Okay, now how do you solve this? Like, wish I could just twist the middle. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. This is just too hard. Yeah. Thanks for watching my really short video on when non-keywords see the pyraminx. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if I get 50 subscribers. So at the end of the year, I will do like a face review. And I also will have like a huge unboxing like next month. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Subscribe for more videos. Yeah, bye.